A discovery that went from a great invention to a global company. The story of CELLUX. Let's start from the beginning. In an old German mill, Leo Gottstein started up a cellulose mill. There he founded Feldmühle, creating a great empire. In Switzerland, the chemist Edwin Brandenburger invented the cellophane in 1908. And by 1917, he had already patented the process along with the machinery. Thus, Hans Gottstein, son of Leo Gottstein, who was succeeded in industrializing the cellophane, created CELLUX'S AG and started the manufacturing of the first synthetic cellulose tape in 1922. From 1930 to 1937, Feldmühle was consolidated as a large conglomerate, acquiring the Klaus und Baumann paper factory, making it possible to produce printed tape, manufacturing for other companies, and introducing the first dispenser to the offices. In the 50s, Südplastik und Keramik was founded to produce polypropylene. This gave CELLUX the capability to become the world's leading producer of adhesive tapes. Between 1955 and 1959, CELLUX opened branches in Germany, France, and Italy. By 1962, the Feldmühle conglomerate was operating in more than 3,400 companies. In 1979, Daniel Blansjar took over the new management, expanding with the opening of new branches in the UK and Benelux. In 1986, CELLUX'S AG arrived in Colombia, thanks to the partnership between Daniel Blansjar and Gustavo Barbosa. In 1989, Gustavo Barbosa acquired all the shares of CELLUX Colombia and positioned the company in the lead in Latin America. CELLUX began its expansion across the Latin American continent, starting with Venezuela, Costa Rica, and Brazil. The company established a free trade zone in Colombia for large-scale manufacturing. Gustavo Barbosa, in partnership with James Cao, ventured into the Asian continent, opening branches in Taiwan, China, Vietnam, and India in 2016. From 2017 to 2022, CELLUX worked to expand from the southeast to the west coast of the United States. Now CELLUX is transforming itself to keep expanding and be closer to you.